I'm Bob Hansen. I'm a consulting engineer living in Hudson, Wisconsin. We were building the new addition, which we call the carriage house. It's a standalone office, garage, a family living area. When we were considering roofing products, we didn't want to use asphalt. It never really has made sense to me that you would have asphalt shingles that you would replace every 20 years. That's sort of a disposable roof. So we just ruled out asphalt and thought, okay, of all the different roofing materials we could use, what do we have to choose from? We looked at all the different options. One of the options that popped up was the Brava roof tiles, because now you've got a lightweight tile that looks like a stone tile, so it has that real classic look, but it's not stone. So it's lighter weight, but extremely durable and made from recycled industrial plastic. So it's got a nice environmental piece to it, and it's super durable, and it looks like tile. Our house is a historical English Tudor, so we wanted to have a Tudor cottage look for the cottage house. So it all fit. And my wife was all in on all of that. And the Brava shingles fit her design aesthetic. We wanted it to look like jolly old England, and then she could find a color that fit too. And the fact that there was multiple colors to choose from, it all went together really nicely. So we went with it, and it turned out terrific. We had a big hailstorm in the spring, and it was a real classic spring thunderstorm that just came in, huge high winds, and then hail. The Weather Service said up to 2 inches, but locally we said it was baseball-sized hail. So it's pool-sized, baseball-sized hail, so big hail. And it only hailed hard for 2 minutes. And in that 2 minutes, it wrecked every asphalt roof in town. They all have to be replaced. It smashed people's windshields, smashed people's rear windows in their cars, dented the cars. Any car that was parked outside had to go in and get repaired. It just did tremendous damage. And our place was brand new. It wasn't even done with construction yet, and the Brava roof tiles had just been put on. So we're thinking, oh no, now what's gonna happen? It didn't damage them. We didn't have to replace the shingles on the Tudor house. I mean, that to me was pretty remarkable. Our old house has asphalt shingles. That's gonna have to be replaced, so we're gonna replace that with Brava tiles now. The carriage house, which we had just built, didn't have any damage. So, well, that's pretty cool. I'm the Brava salesperson for the neighborhood now. I'm obviously not a salesman, but a cheerleader for the neighborhood. So now everybody has to get their roof replaced, and so they see our roof and it looks nice. And to go through a hailstorm without any problem at all, that's worth a lot. If you're happy with asphalt and you want to go that route, then of course they can go that route. But if they want to go with something other than asphalt, I think it's the best game in town. The Brava product was terrific. It's very durable and it looks great. It's just a soft sell for me, right? Because I don't work for the company, but it's a pretty easy one because we've just been so happy with it.